The National Weather Association is dedicated to supporting weather professionals, students, and enthusiasts across the country. But did you know some of the most meaningful connections happen locally? That's where the local chapters come in. Local chapters are grassroots communities of weather-minded individuals, bringing together operational meteorologists, broadcasters, researchers, educators, students, and weather fans. Their focus? To advance weather education, communication, and service at the local level. Chapters host a wide range of activities: severe weather workshops, outreach events, guest speakers, research presentations, and networking socials and more. Whether you are early in your career or a seasoned expert, local chapters offer valuable opportunities to grow professionally, share knowledge, and build lasting relationships. The Local Chapters Committee exists to support and connect these groups, providing guidance, resources, and a direct link to the national organization. Want to start a chapter? We'll walk you through it. Already in one? We'll help you make it thrive with tools, collaboration, and national recognition like the Chapter of the Year Award. Local weather, local connections, local impact. Together, we're building a strong network of local leaders who are making a difference through science, service, and outreach. So if you're looking to get more involved, expand your network, and inspire weather interest in your community, there's a place for you in an NWA local chapter. Visit nwas.org/local chapters to learn more, find a chapter near you, or take the first step towards starting one.